Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys some compression fittings. We're going to be putting them in. We're downstairs in the basement. I told you guys before that we was going to be working on it. We've got the tub in. We've got all of our PEX and everything roughed in. We need 2 shutoff valves here and 1 for the toilet. This is for the sink. That's for the toilet. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to put this on. This is very, very simple. If you've never done it before and you're just wondering how this works, I'm going to show you. So watch the video and I'll show you. Alright guys, so what this is right here, this is just a push connect fitting. You just literally push it on and that connects it. I mean, that's all there is to it. Biggest things, make sure you have the right size for the right size PEX. This here is 1/2 inch. I got a piece right here. This right here is a 3/4 inch piece of PEX, okay? Obviously, it is not going to fit on there. Right there, it's 3/4. This is a 1/2 inch. This is 3/4. Not gonna fit. So they make them for 3/4, but I don't need it for 3/4. So just make sure you get the correct size. It's gonna have that piece, this little piece here on it. You're gonna have a little white piece on the inside right there. Okay. You're gonna take your. Let me get you over here. You're just gonna take it. This here will be the shutoff for my toilet. I gotta patch that hole there. That was from what was there before. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take it, line it up. Well, before I do that, make sure it's clean here. Don't have no big burrs or nothing. This here is they've made a good clean cut on it, so there's nothing going on there. Take it, kind of hold this firm with one hand, because if not, it's gonna want to slide on you. And then just push it on. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Let me slide that back in there. This here's your quarter turn. That's your valve. You turn it off and on. And that's all there is to it. Let's go ahead and pop these 2 on right here on the sink. Show you how fast this is. You almost want to be a plumber. Not really. I know I wouldn't. I do not like plumbing. Alright, well, same thing. Get this up on top here. Hold on to it so don't move on you. These pieces here just slide back on just to dress it up a little bit so you don't have that look to it. You just pop on there right like that. There you go. Guys, so I just put 3 shutoff valves on in probably, what, 30 seconds? A minute maybe? So if you have a leaking valve, you can cut it off if you have PEX or copper. They do make these where they go, like I said, just push to connect. Just go look at your local hardware store. See what they have. You can do this yourself. It's very easy, very quick. It's even painless for plumbing, and that's something for me because, like I said, I can do some plumbing, but it is not my favorite thing to do. So, guys, hope you liked this video. If you would, subscribe to the channel, give us some likes, we appreciate it. And remember, hit that little notification bell. That way when I put out new stuff, you can go see it, check it out. And we thank you all for your views. And as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.